How to save document from WhatsApp to laptop. So if you want to save document from WhatsApp to laptop, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your WhatsApp on your laptop. So go with your WhatsApp application if you have the application. Go with Get Started and make sure to log into your account. But you can also go with your browser. So in my case, I'll just go with my browser. Search for WhatsApp, and here you will have www.whatsapp.com. Click on it and just go with login, which is on the upper right. Now, once you're logged into your WhatsApp, you just need to simply go with a chat from which you would like to download. So you just need to simply go with the chat right here, and you need to right click on it, and here you will have download video option. Just click on download video and it will start the downloading process. So you can go with the upper right, which has that download section, and click on the video that you've just downloaded, and here you will have the video. So that's it. That's how you can download or save document from your WhatsApp to your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.